What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Project Xeno token. Now, the Project Xeno token is about to launch soon on a central exchange. You're going to get a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Project Xeno. So it was just announced 12 minutes ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. It says, watch out, GXE, which is the ticker symbol for Project Xeno. It says, watch out, GXE is coming to Mexc. Project Xeno is a tactical PvP game incorporating the essence of GameFi and esports, allowing players to earn utility tokens and NFTs by playing the game. And then above that, they have another tweet here. It says, announcement, fair launch, October 3rd. So that's when this token is going to be listed, October 3rd. This will be the Xeno's first listing. So it's their very first listing on Mexc Global. There is no one in the world who holds the governance token GXE. So you're going to have, they get the first listing rights basically to this token. So if you're looking to get this token, you don't have an Mexc Global account. I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on October 3rd, you just go into the trade section. You would search GXE, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token on October 3rd. So if you're looking for their Twitter is at Project Xeno _GLB. They have 38,600 followers so far, and they just joined in August 2022. So there's tons of people already, anticipating the first listing of this project here. That's a lot of Twitter followers for a token that's not even out yet, that just joined on Twitter last month. They only have 24 tweets so far, and they're taking off already. So if you want to find their official webpage, you go to project-xeno.com. Over there, you could change the language. They have a full white paper listed over there. And you can find their white paper at project-xeno.gitbook.io. So, Project Xeno is a tactic game with GameFi and esports aspects. Players who own NFT characters can acquire utility tokens and NFTs by playing this game. They can also trade NFTs seamlessly through the in-app wallet and marketplace. Their earnings are securely stored in the general in-app account with built-in swap functionality. It says, our vision is we are building an eco-cycle designed based on the following points. Maintain the value of NFT characters, maintain the value of the utility token, contain an esports aspect, and the most earnable GameFi while maintaining the above. So it says maintain the value of NFT characters. We think that the unlimited bleed feature, which is the NFT generation one, means to decrease the future value of NFTs by creating it continuously, even though there are no demands. Therefore, we do not adopt this feature, but maintain the balance between the demands and sharing in the NFT characters to keep the value of the NFTs in the market. Limiting the number of NFT characters issued means the number of players is also limited. The adjustment will be determined by confirmation of healthy ecosystem cycle and balance of new demand in the market. So this is a very well put together project and everything like that. The grammar is just slightly off because I believe this is translated from Korean. But yeah, either way, they still did a great job. Maintain the value of the utility token. So the utility token supply issued by Project Xeno is unlimited, but supply minting out of the balance with consumption burning will decline the token value, resulting in a decrease in the value per token. Therefore, we apply a soft peg to maintain the balance between the demand, which is the burn, and the supply, which is the mint, of the utility token to stabilize the market price of Project Xeno. Now, in terms of gameplay, our vision is to design a fair battle that emphasizes strategy and tactics. Thus, the game is unlikely to be a situation where players who possess special characters or items always win. However, to maintain the value of the NFT, the game is more earnable for players who own the assets above. We believe in balancing NFTs, utility token, and earning to make it necessary for long-term and stable earnable environments. We also believe in the decline in the value of NFTs and tokens are inevitable in GameFi, that players can significantly earn temporarily. To avoid this situation, we provide an earnable environment with even higher expectations for the utility token while maintaining the top priority. So we will host championship tournaments as a place where players can earn the most. It is related to our ideal to design that the best players can earn the most. Again, see, the grammar is a little bit off, but whatever. Governance tokens are rewards in the championship tournament. The total amount changes for each championship tournament. The qualified players will divide the tokens according to their battle results, and the highest ranked players earn the most rewards. So it shows you what the NFT characters look like on their white paper. They're pretty cool looking. You can check them out there. There are 5 classes and more than 40 kinds of passive skills for NFT characters. So there's play to earn features, of course. They have arena battles, championship modes. On their white paper, you can go over the game flow, characters and skills, their marketplace and the wallet, tokenomics, token distribution, roadmap, technology, official links, partners, and yeah, so if we look at tokenomics, it says coming soon tokenomics, so that's not available yet. They're probably going to have that come out as soon as the token gets listed. Well, I mean, the token's being listed very soon. Yeah, a lot of the stuff is not available yet on their white paper. It looks like roadmap, tokenomics, and token distribution. It says those are all coming soon. Their webpage has some news articles that you could check out on there, and they also have it kind of looks like a Final Fantasy type game. It shows pictures of what the game looks like. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They have 2 different tokens actually. So the utility token, there's an unlimited supply. And then the governance token is a total supply of 6 billion. So they do have some tokenomics on their webpage actually that you could check out. So the token can be used for the marketplace, the auction, in-game PvP, NFT characters, play to earn, training, purchase NFTs, swapping, etc. The governance token distribution, 5% goes to private sale, 10% public sale, 20% ecosystem, 5% marketing, 30% play to earn, 5% operations, 20% team, 5% advisors. And then, yeah, so everything, they do have a roadmap on their webpage too. So a lot more things looks like are available on their webpage compared to their white paper. I guess they're still updating everything. So basically, they're starting with organization of the project team, designing the service team, official website open, start marketing, official SNS and white paper open, game showing the game, NFT auction, private sale, listing on central exchange, marketplace alpha version opens, and then game launch alpha version. So that's how it goes. You can check out all the characters on their webpage, project-xeno.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.